killer. This small, I want to say.
Yo, black. So say if you have for me, my Jimmy so. I want to come like a hard girl. I don't want to come like I'm person me
kind of Trimodeus style bizarre.
Let's say. But you so black. It makes the teeth so white. It makes the hair so black. It makes the eyes so white.
Charlie, now where's your friend?
It makes the tongue so red.
Sister, son,
yo, go on. Now, when the show you paper,
oh yeah,
like a guy. Now, we music video now, Pyong. Or the passion being a share new like boy in the broken heart the wajin degree because from Atajua to Mafi order to we know what prove you actually Ghana for say about broken heart and one Pyong
PhD.
Yes, it is on your broken heart to hide the word broken heart no Kasemenya Pyong.
That's right.
Just say Semenya Pyong because boy no wajia tum say broken heart there when the new obi nyom na offer broken heart personal su on you musu trust say ebi no music video so they won't call YouTube.
That's it.
When the share featuring Pyong title emergency.
Most definitely.
Yeah,
most
so
definitely.
Wild now.
Most definitely. But I'm on joining on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM. Adom 106.3 FM. What is happening?
And Rami bisa a question being to on my Facebook me yano.
Okay.
Me say abroche phone mu bia ewo amanone no Ghana phone mu ma bia ewo amanone no. Die nti no mutimi de phone si omusu di atem. Ebitimi bodua live Facebook live no bodua. Like like Enra can say there are 80% women who are so good living abroad. But there are 20% Ghanaian women living abroad omugu yanima see too much. Enye guy. On kwane ye bodua Facebook live near to ama no online. On kwane the phone see so near recording and ye wuni sa west no mu use meanwhile and kwala de eche
that's it
obi kure bodua na ne be de eche ye mommy
no
enti no momba Facebook we article hene ya wild na me hu wa ha error we me to amako honom
oh ye jinem
so we say
yeah I China no na
and there be iPhone tobo oh me kwa me my African fa de ni be bra na me ko kan comment
African fa o de na your original ne brand why na ne China
I mean craft phone papa me kwa China phone
Jimmy original no
original husband we fi ho am ho a emu de hia
Jimmy original no
I would have so na mo anke ho and I to say na
yeah kwa no say go for believe too much I for believe too much
as we Pascal so yes you are to show you tough
as well Ghana's number 1 radio station Ghana's number 1 radio station no doubt about
and
that
and so to kakra bi na bo mo
as well
but into him abroche for man me ya no
yeah
emayen because sabi egu Ghana anima as a whole
okay
e bi abroche for Ghana for me wa abroche ye 10 baba ko pebe video de be me jane se be kasa abroche for Ghana for abroche for megu Ghana for megu abroche nya papa Ghana for megu abroche sebi je na ekọ Ghana for mo sebi egu abroche sebi nkrasefo but now obi till be or join who a wonye say video ni bi
that's right
my cousins be braid Damore wo Germany agogo hema Candy agogo hema wo Belgium I have a lot of cousins abroad omumu bianfa
Kofi Addison says it's because they have free data
I no so can ho any abroche for mume ya no meni me Evelino sister Evelino I do chumwa one also of France when me who saw the videos in so dey attempt like I know a lot of good women abroad
okay
enti me mani pa ba ko me video ni ankasa Ghana for me go abrochiri asem ye ka ne ya ne atetimu ne ya
straight up
because I na em asefam say ba ko be ya de ne aka omu nyina bo ma generalize say Ghana for
Emilia Habonso says depression
Ade wo moti abroche ho depression men ha wo musa no asi bi mu aban kra na twi omo ma fees aban na twi omo dan ka obi yesi Germany so wo aban timi show no ma na to aban twi awo dan ka aban ye we frustration me ya yeti ya ye twi bill kra ye ho
and Susan Domon says ebi mo nso no out of frustration
frustration na make us aban yi twi awo bill e twi awo ma fees frustration ye de hin
okay
oh yeti he nsuo to ye na mu aye adwuma boso me so am yakopela la hila la bia akotwa dan kan frustration me na me de phone esi me so di atem na wa aban twa wa yi Among pay excuse papa be mama mentor.
Emilia says, Sister Sunny, you are looking good.
I know dear.
Away.
Oh, there be so one can I see you.
Okay.
So we be kind some no one you so cry wabunidria.
Okay.
To me that's it.
Go anywhere.
It's me twice. Comments about me who abroach for and then person me who a problem.
Okay.
A big problem. And so the more mechan me na.
Victoria said most of them from UK.
UK for man and a tire sao. But Germany for no so now you are some more for in Germany. It's 1-0.
Okay.
There's a US mail. To mama ya in Shana Jen Kama mention Millicent or Mary. Millicent or Mary, Akosia Sidua. Was it OTA de Mosh? So sales department on Millicent on corner. And then to penny pebisa say I know when you're born any other. So me man so a shout out or be a befnona. Millicent or Mary, I love you too much, Winnie. Yeah, twice some Neswa. Ghana celebrities. A binomo ya and shushu any more bra. I want me. I want edeme. A son say Mehusa Dibi Koso. A very sad incident. A George Floyd. By a black man, yeah. Police for the omona scene a con abrucha was training. Yes, abrucha for grow more grow. Black Lives Matter. What's a Ghana ha? Posti Black Lives Matter. Wo young cook kabutetu fiachi we ya. And so far kabuteniama. Oh ya Black Lives Matter. What's it ha? One person be crab or tribe. Oh ya Black Lives Matter. Asem tu nya na direct ne konadmu. And so far binyama now direct ne konadmu. Wogata musia na afra aban. Ya ku obi a wunim no. Oh, by one side to Instagram, how the tomato say Black Life, my omunya sancho anymore. Oh, yeah. Black. Or the mobile number, Black. Do you know the number of times Chrome Hagana people have been raped and they need the mouth? Do you know the number of times? Akwalake to Asebi, obedient and sound one as ya, or pet celebrity within a noa tum keke. How many of them they posted to a mu page? Sa akolebit me area ya raping. But George Floyd wouldn't even know. One side our page at your tum kobene. At to her, it's
in solidarity.
And you're solidarity free. Yan solidarity free. Your town, you move. Yan solidarity free. Kokomlem lechi here.
We are so ya fan personal.
My fan personal because I'll be to her Benz and then someone should share. If you're on a stepmother being a tea or more treating, if you share a war with the person, you see what they are to us a Black Lives Matter and to buy me Hakolano. And sweaty Corona is still have a flight to call UK. Equia Black Lives Matter. Corona is all the pride to you.
Ajua Feneye from Bronx, New York. Or say, Sister Sunny be a guy. Leave us alone and continue with your concern.
Maybe I say, Uncle I saw come on chino. What's what they saying?
Ajua Feneye.
And Ajua Feneye sad in you. And yeah, me say, oh yeah, we say video no. We because me see 80% you good. So I can 20 no one because leave us alone. Leave us alone means I'm part of the us.
Okay.
So yeah, be a mommy who be a video then no can make me a sopa we. And no me who video ni. And so amunya Black Lives Matter.
That's yes here.
Ubetimi I men kasa menye is a good cause. He's a fellow black brother. But winim no, je winim no start free fee. Na monye Black Lives Matter no. Black me waso. I have two good news to end today's gossip. A round of applause. Thank you. Obeje decided Diana Hamilton and you're rating 4th most listened gospel musician from Ghana. Billboard.
Diana Hamilton.
4th most listened gospel musician from Ghana. And you're female. 4th most listened gospel musician from Ghana. This is for Ghana.
Wow.
Because Debia was the Diana secular for no. Kumche, baba, hardly sang a mignon pa, say Jesus is king, a drew her. It's now, I'm point. I say,
and Brazil could be a family.
Hey, a good mom, Corona.
Oh, yeah, disinfecting. Sule, your father, you may go.
That's Sule, the Jumanian.
Hey, Jumanian, that's in a cat here. Unyabo Tragram and Pano starting spray.
It's Sister Diana.
Your stories.
Sister Diana and a stone boy. So, Mose billboard for a story be say Stoneboy Black Lives Matter making Stoneboy air fight against racism.
Okay.
This is what celebrities should use their celebritism for. And yeah, it's Black Lives Matter near to Pejina or maybe social media at Panoso bunya views no crane and queens.
CCA.
What is our from him?
What's right?
Wouldn't so when you may affirmation. I mean, who the title. I mean, who you
say me person me
carry on.
LPMs actually when you ideal milk and one and you may tea no yede kwanta. Yeah, don't me patch up who did dinner aduanu be here milk ideal milk. That's all Ghana's favorite milk. No doubt about that. Holland Life Assurance was say but when we busuafo ho ban mun secure mo ho esan say ye kobe obi ani mo chena asem na ekoba ni say no a ye elchena no enye settings anu a ebeba ni say oni eye trusted brand ode wabusuafo ni nyina ba be hye won sa to say Holland Life Assurance say ne